Question number 9 here, x and y are two column vectors of length 3 such that summation of this thing, rank of x, y, t, where xt is the transpose. Okay, so let's denote x equal to x1, y1, x1, x2, x3. So x, y, t is x1, y1, x1, y2, x1, y3, x2, y1, x3, y2, x3, y3. So the resulting matrix xyt is a 3 cross 3 matrix. To understand the rank of xyt, so we take the first column, second column and third column. So since the columns, you can see that here this is the first, second and the third, and the multiple of x. So all columns of xyt are linearly independent, linearly dependent. So therefore the rank of xyt is determined by the number of linearly independent columns. Okay, so here that is only 1, so answer in this case will be 1.